In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Yahoo email password. If you're locked out or just want a fresh start, don't worry, this process is quick and secure. Make sure you have a reliable internet connection and access to the phone number or backup email linked to your Yahoo account. First, open your web browser and go directly to login.yahoo.com. Type it carefully into the address bar and check you're on the official Yahoo site. Look for the padlock icon and the correct URL to avoid phishing pages. On the sign-in page, enter your Yahoo email address in the username field. Double-check for typos before you click Next. It helps to include the full address and ensure there are no extra spaces. When the password box appears, instead of trying random guesses, click the Forgot Password link below the field. This starts Yahoo's account recovery flow and protects you from being temporarily locked out by too many failed attempts. Yahoo will then ask you to verify your identity. You'll see one or more recovery options, such as receiving a verification code by text message, phone call, or to your backup email. Choose the option you can access right now. If an option is outdated, select an alternative that's available on your screen. Retrieve the verification code and enter it on the Yahoo page exactly as shown. These codes are time-limited, so act promptly. If you don't receive the code, wait a moment, check your cellular signal or email spam folder, and use the resend option if needed. Never share verification codes with anyone. Once verified, you'll be prompted to create a new password. Pick something strong and unique, ideally 12 or more characters, mixing upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid personal details and do not reuse a password from another site. Type it again to confirm, watching for caps lock and keyboard layout changes. After the reset is complete, sign in to Yahoo Mail with your new password to make sure everything works. If you use Yahoo in a mail app or have it saved in your browser, update the stored password there so you don't get repeated sign-in prompts. Finally, keep your new password safe. Consider using a reputable password manager to store it securely and generate strong passwords in the future. If you prefer to write it down, keep it in a private, safe place. That's it, you've reset your Yahoo email password successfully.